Hey, this is Chris with your IPv6 update for Thursday, September 23rd. We wrote about Verizon and IPv6 a few weeks ago. They seem to be making a lot of news because of their aggressive IPv6 deployment scheme. New business plans by Verizon showcase an even greater need for V6. Verizon's upcoming 4G network is supposed to roll out in 30 US cities by the end of 2010. The network will use IP addresses to identify each of the mobile devices on the network, and of course they'll be using IPv6. The 4G long-term evolution, or LTE network, is actually pretty cool. Earlier tests this year in Boston and Seattle showed peak download speeds of 40 to 50 megabits per second. This will be the US's first LTE network. The world's first LTE network was opened by TeliaSonera and Ericsson in Stockholm last year. This news should say a couple of things to us. Number one, IPv6 should be taken seriously by businesses that want to reach all potential customers. 30 major US cities by the end of the year means an audience of easily 100 million people. Not all of them will have smartphones, but the mobile devices industry is growing, and that new growth will use IPv6. And number two, Mike Majorana, a regional president for Verizon, was recently quoted as saying, "Even the most sophisticated wireless device is only as good as the network it runs on." That statement holds true for the best and most sophisticated websites and businesses as well. They're only as good as the networks they're on. You need to make sure your enterprise is capable of handling both IPv4 and IPv6 addressing protocols.
Come da poca picchita va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna.